Guys, welcome back to my channel. Say hi, Val. Say welcome back. He's whispering, I don't know why. Yes guys, it's us. It's another video. So basically this video's content will be about me going to my grandma's house and things like that. I'm so glad to be able to be vlogging for you guys. He's just the cutest. Hi guys, so now we're in the car. We on our way to my grandma's house. This is my beautiful mom.
Hi.
These are the kids. So yeah guys. Hey guys, so just got to my grandma's house. There's not really a lot of lighting here, but yeah. She's cleaning. Diga hola, ma. Diga hola. Hola. So yeah, this is my grandma's house. Hola. This is her her living room. Then we got the dining and all that. So yeah, these are the kids playing. All right, guys. So this is our morning. It's about 8 in the morning. We all just woke up. These are the kids. Yeah, we have a mess. And we're still with our stinky brat. Hey guys, so this is our breakfast. I made some ham and cheese. Okay guys, so currently we are getting ready. You have me, and then this one over here is doing her two little piggy tail. All right guys, so yeah, basically yeah, I just finished getting ready. We're gonna go to the beach. I know it's like so cold to go to the beach. Why would you want to go to the beach? But yeah, we're just gonna go to the beach, maintain our distance from people and just try to enjoy. But yeah guys, just stay tuned in so you can see our car ride. And this is my natural hair, like without no extensions. I took out my extensions, so yeah. So right now what I'm doing, we unfortunately didn't get to go today to the beach because it was too late. But so basically what we did was we just bought some margarita, like a mix, because I learned how to do margaritas now. So basically what I bought was the Jose Cuervo mix. This is supposed to go with the Jose Cuervo tequila, but I prefer Patron. So Patron margarita. So yeah, first you add the mix in like a big container, and then you add the juice. And then you have your ice. You gotta put the ice. And then yeah, you just mix it. Then you grab some lemons. You cut the lemons up, which is what I have right here. Oh, I have the lemons cut up and the salt. So you grab your cup. You put you rub lemon all over the cup, and then you put the salt on it. Super good, really good. And then now I'm doing, you know, hookah, because I love doing hookah. Hi guys, how you guys doing? So today is Sunday, May 3rd. Today I'm going back to my house. Go to the beach today because we didn't get to go yesterday. So we're gonna go to the beach today. We're gonna try Orchard Beach. I think that was the beach. Oh yeah, it's Orchard Beach or Jones Beach. And just give you guys a quick update on what's going on right now. So right now I just finished cleaning up, and then we got the kids getting ready here. So yeah, then we got all of us, we all dressed in black. I don't know why we all dressed in black. We dressed in like we went to a funeral. So say hi.
Work. Phase 2, June 1st, retail store, hair and nail salon, barbershop, all that bullshit is gonna open. And by June 15, All gym, bar, restaurant, large.
Finally!
It's
June
open.
15th. That's a month away.
No
But it's
importa.
fine. But at least they're gonna open
Right
it.
before,
It's the summer.
it's right before summer's kicking
Oh
in.
my
So
God.
stop with the nonsense already.
Alright guys, so we just arrived at Jones Beach. We literally went to
6,000 other beaches.
yeah, 6,000 other beaches, but they were all full. And as we're in Jones Beach right now, right here is closed. La mula está cansada de cargar la bolsa. Fuck it.
Yeah, fuck coronavirus.
Fuck coronavirus.
Who cares?
My cup is heavy.
I told you. This shit is heavy.
So yeah guys, we're just patiently waiting for the summer to get here. Hey, hi mom! How you like the beach? Para estuvo suave.
Me dice que le gustan los plátanos.
Maduro.
Ella me dice que le gustan los plátanos. Esta camina con los codos, mami si te pelas te voy a untar el yodo. Y chiri chiri bang, chiri bang bang, chiri bang, chiri bang bang. Si tu gato se pega, chiri chiri bang, chiri bang bang, chiri bang, chiri bang bang. A bailar la macarena.
Plata, con tu dinero pídeme lo que tú quieras, pero
Hay que llamar a las 108 a ver si tienen.
Ay, los chicharrón con yuca. We just got out of Jones Beach. We went to 2 different beaches and they weren't open. They were open, but they were full of capacity. So we came to Jones Beach and everything was fine. Everyone kept their 6 foot of distance. And then as you can see, the parking lot is kind of empty. So now we're super hungry and we're trying to eat something. What we're gonna eat because we're starving. We ate like at 12. We ate sandwiches and coffee and we haven't eaten since then. So we're like super hungry. We don't even know what to eat. There's this restaurant in Queens, New York called Cafe Rubio and they sell good food, but we're not sure if they're open because of the quarantine and the virus. So we're gonna find out if it's open. If not, who knows what the hell we're gonna eat, because I know everyone else is hungry.
Tú me miras, yo solo sé que el pasado se olvida.
I don't feel attached to anyone, is that
No
bad?
hay quien nos impida. Si estamos